Hi students, welcome to our channel Rajesh Biology. This is Mahesh from Hyderabad, lecturer in botany. In previous topic we discussed what is root, parts of the plant body we discussed. Now we have to discuss root systems. Here, according to our NCERT book, types of root systems, only two root systems are there. One is tap root system. Second one is fibrous root system. See here, two types of root systems are there according to our NCERT book, and one is tap root system, second one is fibrous root system. In a tap root system, one primary root is present. Means this primary root during seed germination, the radicle it becomes bulge and it becomes it converts into primary root. On that primary root, lateral roots also originated. Lateral roots means partial, means side roots. Side roots also present or originated on the primary root. And on that some tertiary roots also originated from the secondary roots. Tertiary, secondary, and this is primary root or main axis. So including this part, total part is called tap root system. In a tap root system, radicle is permanent. Radicle is permanent, and that type of root system we can see in the dicotyledon plants like pulses, Arachis, Hypoxia groundnut, all pulses, Arachis, Hypoxia groundnut, and that moong dal, Caesar arietinum. So green gram, whatever Arius, Phaseolus, Mungo, Phaseolus, Arius, all Fabaceae members we can see that tap root system. And the second one is fibrous root system. So in this also during seed germination, a small thread-like structure comes, and this is radicle, but the radicle it is short-lived. In fibrous root system, radicle is short-lived, and replace of that many roots are originated from the lower base of the stem. See, for example, here stem is there. Stem. Here radicle is permanent, radicle is short-lived, and replace of that radicle many roots are originated, all roots are at same level. This is called fibrous root system. Here in the fibrous root system, example monocots. In a tap root system, example dicots we can write. Fibrous root system, maize, rice, sugarcane, whatever, in all these monocots fibrous root system is there. So here tap root system, here this is called fibrous root system. What is the differences between tap and fibrous? In a dicotyledon we can see tap root system. In a fibrous root system we can see in a monocots. In a tap root system, radicle is permanent. In a fibrous root system, and that radicle is short-lived. And third type of root system also there, that is called adventitious root system. But it is, we can't consider that is third type, it is special type we can consider. That one is adventitious root system or adventitious roots. Here, for example, Monstera, banyan. Banyan means Ficus bengalensis. In Telugu, Marri. In that adventitious roots means other than radicle. other than radicle, any part of the plant body if it produces roots. Those roots are called adventitious roots. For example, in a banyan, do you know banyan tree? Did you see that banyan tree? That is biggest tree, and Ficus bengalensis. In that Ficus bengalensis, here for example, this is branch is there, and from that branch roots are originated. Roots ఎక్కడి నుంచి originate అవుతున్నాయి, ఎక్కడి నుంచి produce అవుతున్నాయి roots? Roots are originated from the branch. Roots are originated from the branch. Means according to our definition, adventitious roots are originated from any part of the plant body other than radicle. Here radicle is permanent in a taproot system. In a fibrous root system, that radicle is short-lived. Replace of that, many roots are originated and all roots are at the same level. Fibrous root system. And next special type adventitious root system. That adventitious root system, other than radicle, any part of the plant body it produces roots, we can call them as a adventitious roots. Sometimes here branches produces roots. Say for example, in maize, sugarcane, the lower surface of the stem means the node, from that node, lower surface of the node, lower node, it produces roots. Those roots penetrate into the soil. Those roots are called stilt roots. Stilt roots also we can call them as adventitious roots. Means taproot system we can see in the dicotyledon. Fibrous root system we can see in the monocotyledon. Sir, what about adventitious roots? Student ki doubt vastadi. The adventitious roots we can see in either monocots and dicots. In both monocots and dicots also we can see. So there is no particular rule. Adventitious roots are present in only dicots. Adventitious roots are present in monocots. Not there like that. Here only taproot system dicots, fibrous monocots. Adventitious roots means other than radicle. It is very important for competitive point of view. Here you should remember other than radicle. Other than radicle, any part of the plant body. Here in banyan tree, branch it produces roots. In sugarcane, lower node it produces roots. Sometimes leaf in bryophyllum. In bryophyllum also reproductory leaves. Bryophyllum has also some small buds also present on the leaf. Those buds are called epiphyllous buds. Those epiphyllous buds also produces roots. Those are also called adventitious roots. So in a banyan tree, these roots we can call them as a prop roots or pillar roots. We will discuss in the root modifications. Okay, is it clear? This is root systems.